Hi guys, welcome to Dine. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare mango pickle. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any delicious updates. So, let's begin. To prepare achari masala powder, we need 8 to 9 red chilies, 2 tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, and 1 tablespoon 5 mixed Indian spices. Then roast all the spices for about 5 minutes on low flame. Now grind the roasted spices and achari masala powder is ready. Take 4 raw mangoes, cut them into slices and add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well. Take a pan and add 4 tablespoon mustard oil. Then add 2 red chilies, 1 teaspoon 5 mixed Indian spices or 5 foron. After a while, add raw mangoes. Add 1 teaspoon salt and cover it for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Open the cover and add 1.5 teaspoon vinegar. Add 3/4 cup sugar. Then add the most important thing, 2.5 teaspoon achari masala powder. And mango pickle is ready. You can store this in the refrigerator for about 1 month. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.